Hello everyone, this is Booba and I will be doing a presentation compiled by Jitendra on TNXP Pharmaceuticals. TNXP Pharmaceuticals Holding Corporation is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company, which focuses on the discovery, acquisition, and development of small molecules and biologics to treat and prevent human disease and alleviate suffering. A commercial-scale facility in Montana is planned to manufacture COVID-19 vaccine candidates. The company's lead product includes TNX-102SL, a dose and formulation of cyclobenzaprine for the treatment of fibromyalgia and post-traumatic stress disorder. TNXP Pharmaceuticals Company is headquartered in Chatham, New Jersey, and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol TNXP. We will be looking into first technical then drug pipeline, financial and conclusion. If you want a presentation video on a particular stock, or any topic related to the stock market, please put it in the comment section. Jitendra would love to make it for you. On daily basis, there is strong support around 0.55, however I am a bit skeptical about whether the price will reach that level in the near term. Conservative traders can wait for the above price. The stock has currently taken following trend support near 0.7. I am hopeful 8 moving average cross over 34 moving average to get to 0.8, after which there will be a difficult task to close the gap and reach the next hurdle at 1. That will be our first price target. Again, conservative traders can start booking profits around this level. Past 200 moving average, if reached with good closing and volume, stock can reach anywhere between 1.2 to 1.4, which will be our final price target, giving a good 70% return. The weekly chart is very interesting considering past movements, where the stock has made regular ups after falling and consolidating. And now we are at a similar price pattern, where the stock has again fallen and consolidated. To support this is a formation of hidden bullish divergence, and off late another signal, that is doji star bullish. Both together should propel the stock to the said price targets, hopefully with some support from the markets as well. The stock is currently very much in the oversold zone, and is trying to move up. So price targets remain the same for weekly as 1, and then 1.2 to 1.4. Bios still have to show a definite reversal, so it's my sincere request to please do your own due diligence and book profits at regular intervals. Let us now look into their drug pipeline. TNX-102SL has been worked on for the following indications: fibromyalgia, post-traumatic stress disorder, alcohol use disorders, and long COVID syndrome. Top-line data for fibromyalgia, which is currently in phase 3 stage, is due in fourth quarter of 2021. In addition to the above, there are multiple trials to be initiated later part of 2021 and the first half of 2022, like TNX-1800 for the COVID-19 vaccine, based on the horsepox virus, that could provide a longer duration of protection. TNX-1900 for migraine and TNX-1300 for cocaine intoxication. On July 23, TNXP Pharmaceuticals reported that Phase 3 trials for its leading pipeline candidate, TNX-102SL, would stop enrolling new patients with fibromyalgia. The trial's Independent Data Monitoring Committee, IDMC, recommended the halt, citing insufficient benefit to patients beyond what they'd experience with a placebo. Now the drug's fate is uncertain, as things are still unclear. As recently, the company had presented preliminary data suggesting that TNX-102SL was more effective at reducing fibromyalgia pain than a placebo. So investors and traders need to wait until the patients currently enrolled in the trial conclude their course of treatment and the company prepares the data, which should happen sometime in the fourth quarter of this year. More so, TNX-102SL is also being considered for PTSD, Alzheimer's disease, and alcohol use disorder. The drug is primarily designed to treat fibromyalgia, and not these other conditions. If the results from the fibromyalgia trial are not up to the mark, the drug may not perform on above said conditions as well, which might make things difficult for TNXP. However, I am hoping companies' therapies for acute coronavirus infections and for long COVID could fill much-needed gaps in the treatment. But these programs should make through the clinical trials process, regulatory clearances, etc. TNXP, with the advantage of no current debt, need to pull up their sleeves before the markets for the product wear off. TNXP Pharmaceuticals has a market capitalization of $252 million and falls under small cap category. TNXP is debt-free and not had any debt for past 5 years and has sufficient cash runway for more than a year based on its current free cash flow. Earnings per share has grown by an impressive 96%, and as per estimates it is expected to grow by 11% per year, while short interest has seen a decrease by 13%. TNXP has underperformed the U.S. biotech industry, which returned 27% over the past year, and also U.S. market, which returned 29% over the past year, thus a matter of concern. However, in the most recent couple of weeks TNXP has outperformed the stock market by returning 1.5%, while SPY returned 1.2%. TNXP Pharmaceuticals stock is owned by a number of retail and institutional investors, even though institutional ownership is only 20%. Top institutional investors include BlackRock holding 8%, Vanguard Group with 4% and Renaissance Technologies 2%. The average price target given by analysts for TNXP Pharma is $2. This is above our final price target, which is set at 1.4, and the fair value is 1.05, the first price target. Conclusion: TNXP has ranked in the Robinhood Top 100 Most Popular Stocks list for quite a while now, so it will definitely be on the radar of top traders. Even though the stock is running low and might take time for full recovery, TNXP does have a few projects in the pipeline that could deliver future growth, and with their frontline data upcoming, I am hopeful our set price targets should reach sooner or later. Hello, this is Bubba signing off now. Enjoy. Hope you liked the presentation. Thank you and take care. See you soon.